Hello, welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus again. What have we got here? A silver MA Mondeo sedan, 08 model, diesel, automatic. It's got a little tap in the front, but a very tidy car all round really, apart from the front bar. It says a diesel. We'll jump inside and have a quick look for you. It's 117,000 kilometres on it was. So have a look, we've got it running here. Driver doors open, how about that? Where's our there we go. 117,416 kilometres. Oil purring away there. Got the Sony CD player in it. It's automatic, heated seats, black trim, even got a sunroof up there. Just do the walk around outside, very tidy car, bit of a fray there. I think this driver's seat had a bit of a nick on the side or something too, I think. Yes, down there. Pop the bonnet, that's around the other side, isn't it? Alright. It's got four good doors, it's got a full front. Bonnet's got a, bonnet. Front bar's got a dent, good bonnet, good boot lid, a spare in there too. Jack kit, all the panels are quite good. We'll pop the bonnet. Good headlights, good everything. Get that up. Yeah, Duratorque engine. Put this cover off. Find our compliance plates. They're over here, I think. There you go. 508. There we have it. A Mondeo for dismantling. So if you need any Mondeo parts, any parts for that matter, doesn't matter, give us a call on 02 4646 1733. And the Parts Plus guys will be only too glad to help you out. Thanks for watching and bye for now.